All right, urinary incontinence. This is something that is not just happening to older women, it's happening to young women after childbearing, or even people who haven't had children. They suffer from urinary incontinence, where you jump and then you leak a little bit of urine. You laugh, you cough, you sneeze, and then you leak a little bit of urine. That can be very embarrassing. And there could be a lot of different factors that are causing it. And one of the options we offer is pelvic floor therapy. Pelvic floor therapy is vital in helping to regain the strength of the pelvic floor. But sometimes I hear my patients saying, if I forget to do my exercises, then I leak a little bit. If I go to the gym and I'm exercising too hard, then I leak a little bit. And so what's my solution to that? The FemiLift. This is a vaginal laser device. It allows repair of the vagina, of the pelvic floor. It lifts that bladder up. It helps you to regain strength and tightness in the vagina. And this has been shown to resolve all urinary incontinence symptoms. At first, we were doing it for vaginal dryness, for women who were having menopausal issues. Then we started noticing that these women said that urinary incontinence symptoms were resolving. And so I am so excited to offer this to you. The FemiLift is now available at Dardur Gynecology. If you are dealing with urinary incontinence, you don't have anybody to talk to, I can help you. We're hosting an open house at Dardur Gynecology on March 18th at 10 a.m. You can get to have a VIP consultation. Let's see if it's the right option for you. And you can get started on your journey to be free from urinary incontinence. See you then.